NALSA is proud to launch the Legal Aid Defense Counsel System portal and dashboard, designed to revamp the existing manual reporting of LADCS into a seamless, automated, and intelligent data sharing platform. LADCS remains as NALSA's flagship project to enhance access to justice by acting as a critical link between prisoners and the legal system. LADCS has ensured more than 15 lakh legal aid services including court hearings, legal representation, court case handling, bail remand advice, and prison outreach spanning across 668 districts across the country. This is set to reach a total of 703 districts by 2026. Accurate and timely data reporting are critical for effective performance and success of the LADCS. The LADCS dashboard marks a paradigm shift in management and monitoring of legal aid defense counsel system by district legal service authorities, state legal service authorities and NALSA. This fully digital and state-of-the-art platform shall overcome delays, duplications and inconsistencies in data reporting and management and shall aid in improved performance assessment. The portal is equipped with work performance tracking mechanism, dynamic visual reporting tools, features showing actionable insights, drill down options. LADCS platform shall ensure real-time data entry and access pan-India, instant access to national and state-level data, better assessment of performance indicators, better decision-making and resource allocation, transparency and accountability, timely support to the needy. The LADCS MIS dashboard is said to be a game-changer in legal aid delivery supervision by making monitoring continuous, transparent, and data-driven.